Namaskar. Tulip Geographic Channel welcomes you all. As all of us know that general knowledge is very important for us. It is very important for our career. Questions are asked in the form of MCQ in different exams, maybe board, maybe internal exam, in civil services, etc. This is why I decided to start a new corner in Tulip Geographic Channel, that is GK Corner. In this series, I will start first topic, first question. First complete census in India. First complete census in India was conducted in 1881. Although it was conducted in 1872, but only in limited area of the country. But in 1881, census was conducted in whole country, throughout the country. So real answer is 1881, first complete census in India. And after that, after every 10 years, census is conducted. According to this, next census will be held in 2021. But due to corona pandemic, it may be a little late. Now next question. Largest state in terms of area. The correct answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is largest state in terms of area. In map you can see this is Rajasthan. This is largest state in terms of area. Now next question. Smallest state in terms of area. The correct answer is Goa. Goa is smallest state in terms of area. In map you can see this is Goa. Just below Maharashtra, this is Goa, and Goa is smallest state in terms of area. Now next question. Largest UT in area. The correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Earlier it was Arunachal Pradesh, but latest division of Jammu and Kashmir as Union Territory. The correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is largest UT in terms of area. In map you can see this is Jammu and Kashmir. This is largest UT. Now next question. Smallest UT in terms of area. The correct answer is Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is smallest UT in terms of area. In map you can see this is Lakshadweep in Arabian Sea, and Lakshadweep is smallest UT in terms of area in India. Now next question. Largest state in terms of population. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is largest state in terms of population. In map you can see this is UP. UP is largest state in terms of population. Next question is smallest state in terms of population. The correct answer is Sikkim. Sikkim is smallest state in terms of population. You can see in map this is Sikkim. Sikkim is smallest state in population. Question. Highest population density in state. Correct answer is Bihar. Bihar has highest population density in Indian state. In map you can see this is Bihar, and it has highest population density in India. Now lowest population density among Indian states in India. It is Arunachal Pradesh. In Arunachal Pradesh, there are lowest population density. In Arunachal Pradesh, there is a district named Dewan. It has lowest density district in India. In map, you can see this is Arunachal Pradesh, and there is lowest population density in India. Question: highest population density in UT or NCR? The correct answer is Delhi NCR. Delhi has highest population density in India, and you can see in map this is Delhi. Next question is lowest population density among UT in India. The correct answer is Andaman and Nicobar Island. There is the lowest population density among UT in Andaman. You can see in map this is Andaman and Nicobar Island. There is lowest population density among Indian UT. Now next question is population density in India according to 2011 census. The correct answer is 382 person per square kilometer. Population density means total number of people living in per square kilometer of area. Now next question is census year with negative growth rate of population. The correct answer is 1921 census. In 1921 census there was negative growth rate of population in India. Next question is India's annual population growth rate is 1.64%. This is annual growth rate of population. Next question is decade of highest population growth. The correct answer is 1971 to 1981. There was highest population growth in our country. Now next question is highest growth rate of population among states in India. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh, UP. You can see in map this is UP, Uttar Pradesh. In this state there was highest population growth rate in India. Lowest growth rate of population among Indian states. Correct answer is Kerala. In Kerala there was lowest population growth rate. One main factor responsible for this is better literacy, highest literacy in India. Due to literacy, people are aware. This is why there is lowest population growth rate in Kerala. Now in map you can see this is Kerala. In Kerala there is lowest growth rate of population in India. Next question is highest growth rate of population among Union Territories UT. The correct answer is Dadra and Nagar Haveli. You can see in map this is Dadra and Nagar Haveli. The last question lowest growth rate of population among UT Union Territory. Correct answer is Andaman and Nicobar Island. You can see in map this is Andaman and Nicobar Island. There is lowest growth rate of population among Indian UT in India. This was today's series 1 of MCQ general knowledge and VSA type questions. I will be again available next week with series 2 general questions, MCQ type questions and VSA type questions. Thanks for watching. इस प्रकार की वीडियोज आगे भी देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब बटन को टच करके सब्सक्राइब करें।